Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about the cross-selling. So cross-selling is a powerful sales technique that involves recommending complementary products to customers based on their current purchases. And Odoo is a comprehensive suite of open source business applications offers several strategies to implement effective cross-selling. So let's dive into the sales module to manage with the cross-selling, and you can just consider the product. So I'm going to choose a product as laptop, and here you can see that under the sales tab we have upsell and cross-sell. So here you would be able to find the optional products, accessory product, and alternative product. So accessory product defines the product that are frequently purchased with a primary product when a customer adds a primary product to their cart, and the system automatically searches the accessories. And the alternative product specify alternative um, products that can be substituted for a primary product, and this is useful when a product is out of stock or when you want to offer a customer high-ended option. And we have the optional product. This identifies that the additional product that can be added to the order, such as add-ons or upgrade. It can be a software warranty or any other product. So cross-selling suggestion in Odoo can suggest products based on historic data and customer behavior, and these suggestions can be displayed directly on the sales order line, making it easier for sales reps to upsell or cross-sell. So let's see how can we just manage the cross-sells. For that, we can just dive into the quotations, and in the quotation, you can just click on new button where you can just fill out the details of the customer. I'm going to choose the customer as Azure Interior. As he is a loyal customer, he might be getting the discounts, and let me just go to choose a product, which is laptop. And here you can see that as we just gonna choose a product laptop, the optional product searches popped over here, and you would be able to find that. So I'm going to choose this product, and if I want to just add this optional product in order to cross-sell, I'll be also choosing that. So here I just want to choose warranty for 1 year, and here you would be able to find, and let's see that we are just going to confirm that, so that the product laptop as well as the warranty is just um, added into our order lines. So actually cross-selling is also a way for upsell the business, and we have tested with that, and here you would be able to find all the total amount. And further, we can just save this and confirm the order. Later on, if we want to just make the delivery, we can just go ahead with the further process, and that's how we just deal with the cross-selling in Odoo 18 sales. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.